Hey everyone, welcome back to DrewTech. If you're new here, special welcome. I'm going to show you how to restore archive projects in Claude AI. So first, open the Claude app. So once you open Claude, sign into your account. Next, tap the three line at the top left corner. Then go to project section on the left side at the top. Now once you're here, so if you want to restore archive projects, look at the top right corner and tap the filter icon. From here, select Archived. So this will show you the projects that you've previously archived. Find the project you want to restore and open it. Now from the project options, so at the top right, click the three dots and choose Unarchive or Restore, depending on the version of Claude you're using. So tap Unarchive.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So once you unarchive a project, it should move back to your regular yours project list. So go back and that's it. So that's how you can restore an archive project in Claude AI. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.